three classification of drugs, or two major classification of drugs for the cholinergic specifically. Okay, we have two. Number one, we have a reversible, non-competitive. Okay, acetylcholinesterase enzyme, acetylcholinesterase enzyme inhibitors. Another one we have irreversible, competitive acetylcholinesterase enzyme inhibitors. Okay, so what type of drug? We have two classifications. We are classifying the cholinergics, anticholinesterase by the two major factors. Number ones, which type of drug? We have non-competitive reversible acetylcholinesterase enzyme inhibitor drugs. Another ones we have a competitive but irreversible acetylcholinesterase enzyme inhibitors. We are so here we will discuss about the drug in the reversibles. We have physostigmine, number second, neostigmines, and number third is galantamine. Okay, galantamine is specifically in this group, but galantamine has a property like the competitives. It is in the group by the classifications. It as we have included inside reversibles, non-competitive, but actually this one drugs like the galantamine has the properties of like the competitive. It is in the competitive drugs, but also they have included our seniors, our scientists. They have included in the non-competitive, but actually the galantamine is present in the competitive acetylcholinesterase enzyme inhibitors. Supposed to say if we are going to paralyze the acetylcholinesterase enzymes, or the function of acetylcholinesterase enzymes, it is the neurotransmitters. So by the enzymes they are paralyzing. So what is the choline? Another one is the acetic acid. So in intention we are saving the acetylcholinesterase or the acetylcholines. We are destroying the acetylcholinesterase enzymes. If we will destroy the acetylcholinesterase enzymes, we must have the majority levels of the acetylcholines, because this enzyme is our enemy. They are destroying our very precious things. Okay, acetylcholines. So we are going to in intention to destroy this acetylcholinesterase enzymes. Okay, another ones we have which type of drugs? We have a type of drugs. Number ones we have parathines. Number second we have melatoins, and third one we have ecothyphates. Already we have used when we are going to the ecothyphate drugs inside a glaucoma patient. What is the complications? Catharactic properties, catharactic side effect, it is creatines. My one is a friend Salam is saying, yeah, please sir, you have a mind and you have mashallah very expert in drug. But Salam, thank you very much. You are also my teacher. But it is the God-gifted property. I don't know. Your knowledge is a treasure. Knowledge is oceans like this. Okay. So these ones we have three type of drugs: parathine, melatonin, and ecothyphate. Parathine, melatonin, ecothyphate is irreversibles, competitive acetylcholinesterase enzyme inhibitors. Keep it in your minds. Also keep it in your minds here. The neostigmines, anti-acetylcholinesterase enzymes. Coming in the non-competitive reversibles classifications. So neostigmines is not crossing the blood-brain barriers. Okay, and another one, the physostigmines is crossing the blood-brain barrier. Keep it in your mind. Okay, it is a very important. This neostigmines is crossing the blood-brain barriers, but this physostigmine is not crossing the blood-brain barrier. Okay. Another one is we have parathine, melatonin, ecothyphates. Okay, also it is the competitive irreversible acetylcholinesterase enzymes inhibitors. So this is the topic. Okay, I discussed about what are the things acetylcholinesterase. We have reversibles, we have irreversibles, we have non-competitive, we have competitives. Okay, it is reversible, it is irreversible, it is non-competitive, it is competitive. We have three type of drugs. Which type of drugs? We have neostigmine, physostigmine, galantamine. Galantamine is a group of competitive drugs, but they have included inside in this non-competitive irreversibles or reversibles. Okay. Another one we have parathine, melatonin, and ecothyphates. Parathine, melatonin, and ecothyphate. Ecothyphating causing the catharactic properties, side effects. But these drugs having like this thing. So it is a short or the long discussions. We are using these drugs in intention to acetylcholinesterase enzymes inhibitor, because if acetylcholinesterase enzymes paralyzing our acetylcholine in two parts. One is a choline or one is esterase, acetic acids. Okay, choline and acetic acids. In intention to prevent our acetylcholinesterase enzymes, we are just using these type of drugs having these active ingredients. Is this type of drugs? Okay, so this is a short or the long my topic, my lectures upon this thing. We have majority lectures. We will discuss about all these things if we have times. Voluntarily, I will share with you my ideas and like these things.